What's going on, everybody? Mike here with Tri-Delta. Welcome back to the channel. For today's office, we are out here in Diamondale. It is approximately 92 degrees, and the tenant tells me this Bryant just up and quit. So stay tuned. All right, what we got going here is I guess a fairly recent unit. It is a, what are we, R410A. We got a dirty condenser coil, that's for sure. I asked the tenant to turn down the thermostat. There goes the screw. Okay. Oh, we have a thermal. We do have a thermal overload switch. I'm wondering if that's my problem. Okay. And just for giggles, let's see if that thermal switch is tripped. Yep. All right. I wonder if we have a bad switch, or is this thing overheating? Yeah, she's hot. Really hot. Alright, I'm going to try to cool this off. Unfortunately, desperate times, desperate measures. I can feel the heat rolling right off of it. It's incredibly hot. Alright, this unit is still crazy hot. You can actually see the steam rolling off of it. Alright, well, the compressor is cool enough for it to pull in the contactor. However, I want to go ahead and I'm going to pour one more bucket of water over it, and we're going to wait for a few minutes. I would like this thing to be pretty much as cold as I can get it. I'll tell you one of two things. I'm going to either invest into one of these little canisters or a compressor cooler. I have a feeling the canister's cheaper. Maybe next summer. Ooh. Okay. Bad cap. started hearing a slight noise coming from the condenser fan motor. It's feeling a little bit warm on the top. The unit's rated for 1.4 amp draw, and I'm drawing 1.22. So maybe that noise is coming from something else. You guys can probably hear it in the audio. Alright guys, so this system has been running for approximately 15 minutes, give or take. My subcooling is at 6.3. It's bouncing between that and 7. On the data plate, the target subcooling is 12. We're a little bit low on refrigerant. This is a rental property. I'll have to get authorization to recharge the unit, so let me get a hold of the landlord and we'll go from there. But as of right now, the system's up and running. It is a little bit low on charge. I did replace the capacitor. Yeah, let's see what he has to say. Alright guys, that's going to put a wrap on our service call today. One good thing is we were able to get the unit up and running. It is 92 degrees. We're going to be able to get the tenant some cooling. The thing that absolutely sucks is that the homeowner, the property owner, has decided to push off recharging the unit until next spring. I cannot explain why, but my job is to provide the property owner with all of the available information that I have, give them the pros and cons, and then they can make their decision based on what they feel is right for their situation. That being said, the tenant will have some cooling. The good thing is we are going to see some lower temperatures next week, so we're starting to tailor off of summer and kind of like slowly move into fall. But nevertheless, like I said, the homeowner's got some cooling. So thanks for watching. I certainly do appreciate it if you've made it this far into the video, and we'll check you guys out on the next one.